Namaste students. Students, in previous class, I introduced measures of capacity. Capacity means how much can hold the container. So, and the examples I am already told. Then you can answer the math in action. So that is one of the activity will be there. So, and then I will finish the get set go and which are the larger units, which are the containers having large quantity, which are the objects having small quantity. If it is small quantity is there, so we measure using milliliters. If you the having the objects having larger quantity, so we using liter. So and also we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So milliliter means ml. So we know that all of you 1 liter equal to 1 liter. L means liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So it is we can using this one, we can convert to the liter to milliliter, milliliter to liter. Okay, so now we can go for, after this introduction, now I will go for conversion concept. So conversion means we can converting to bigger unit to smaller unit to bigger unit. So we can in the measures of capacity, in the measures of length, in measures of mass, we have already learned. So how to convert the numbers. So then here the same we can using here liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter. So look at this. So we can here bigger unit to smaller unit. Bigger, which is the bigger unit? Bigger unit to smaller unit. Smaller unit. Which is the bigger unit here? Bigger unit is liter. So while we convert it to smaller unit, milliliter, keep in mind. So while we convert it to smaller unit, so using this, so to convert liter to milliliter, so while we converting liter to milliliter, we multiply the number of liters by 1000, because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we can convert using the multiplication. When we convert it to bigger unit to smaller unit, we are using multiplication. All of you know that. So now I will take some examples using this. Okay, first one example, taken the examples. First one example, first one, 8 liter, 8 liter. So first we should write 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So we should find out 8 liter. So first, what is the number? Number is 8. Number is, the given number is 8. So 1 liter, how much milliliter? We should multiply 1000 milliliter. 8000 the 8000 the 8000. 8 into 1000, 8000 milliliter. 8 1 the 8, 8 0 the 0, 8 0 the 0, 8 0 the 0. So now I will go for another example. Taken this example, second one. Next, 15 liter. 15 liter. So how to find out 15 liter? So we should find out easily. So 15 liter. So 1 liter equal to, we know that all of you, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 15 liter equal to, so number of liters how many? 15. 1 liter how much liter? Milliliter? 1000. We should multiply. So how to multiply? 1000 into 15. So we can multiply both the numbers. 15 0 the 0, 15 0 the 0, 15 0 the 0, 15 on the 15. Same as it is. So what is your answer? 15 milliliter. 15,000 milliliter. So this is the answer. So we should multiply. So these are the questions. Second one example. So what type of questions will be asking? Second one. So look at this. So third one. So I hope all of you understand. So how to convert liter to milliliter. Next one question. 9 liters, 156 milliliter. This type of questions. So first, so as this type of questions in the length and measures of mass we have already learned. First we can convert it to 9 liter has to be converted to milliliter, and then remaining milliliter we can add. Okay, we get the answer. So first 1 liter equal to how much milliliter? 1000 milliliter. So we should find out 9 liter equal to number of milliliter, number of how many liters are there? So 9. So 1 liter equal to how much milliliter? 1000. So we should multiply. So 9 into 1000, 9000, plus remaining plus 156 is there. We should adding. It is 3-digit number. 100 place is 1, tens place is 5, 100 ones place is 6. So we should adding. So we get so 6, 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 5, 5, 1, 9156 milliliter. 156 milliliter. So next one, next take the question, another one. Okay, fourth one, 6 liter, 6 liter, 66 milliliter, 66 milliliter. First 6 liter converted to milliliter. After the 66 milliliter adding to the given liter. So given milliliter. So first 1 liter equal to, we know that 1000 milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. First number of liters, how many? 6 liters. Number of unit, number of liters 6, and then 1 liter equal to 1000. We should multiply. Then 6 into 1000, 6000 plus 6000 milliliter. Okay. Then what is the remaining? Remaining 66 milliliter. It is 2-digit number. Adding ones place and tens place, not in the 100 place. Okay. Ones place is what? 6. Tens place is 6 milliliter. We should adding. So remaining 0, 0. 6, 6, 0, 6066 milliliter. These are the questions. So we can convert it to change into milliliters. Change into milliliters. So why? So we can converting to liter to milliliter. We should do using multiplication. Using this last one example, I will go for last example. Taken these two. So all of you write in this is CW. So I will go for last question. Fifth one. 5 liter 275 milliliter. 275 milliliter. So first we should convert. 5 liter is there. So first 1 liter has to be converted to 1000 milliliter. So first 5 liter has to be converted to milliliter. 5 liter into 5. First number of liters 5. Then 1 liter how much? 1000 ml. Multiply. We got 5 into 1000, 5000 plus remaining 275 ml is there. We should adding 100 places 2, tens place is 7, ones place is 5. Add 5, 7, 2, 5. 5275 ml. So these are the examples of change into milliliters, liters to milliliters. Now I will go for milliliters to liters, milliliters to liter. So now here we can using division. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Okay, now I will go for milliliters to liter. Yes, now I will go. So now look at this. So here change into liters, change into liters. So in the last class, measures of mass, it is divided by 1000. So it is divide, quotient is liter. So numerator is sorry, numerator not as numerator, it is remainder. Remainder is milliliters. So let us, we can using the divided by 1000. So to convert milliliters to milliliters to liters, we divide the number of liters by 1000. We should using divided by 1000. So here smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller unit is what? Which is the smaller unit? Milliliter. While we converting to liter, we can using divide. We can using divide. So now, how much is divide? Divide by 1000. Okay, first one example. Now 7000 ml. So first one question. This is a 7000 ml. This type of questions will be asking. 7000 ml. So let us divide 1000. 7000 ml divided by 1000 divided by 1000. Because why we divide by 1000? Because 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. We can divide by 1 milliliter equal to 1000 liter. So okay. So now we can using 7000. It is dividend. 1000 is right into divisor place. 1000 how much? 7000. 1000 to the 2000. 1005 the 5000. 1007 the 7000. So we should write 7007 the 7000. It is remainder is 0. So how much liters are there? So 7000 milliliter equal to 7000 milliliter equal to 7 liter. Because why it is written into the quotient has to be written in the liter? Because 1007 times are there. 1007 times equal to 7000. So it is totally it is 7 liter. Okay. I hope all of you clear. So then okay. So now 7000 ml equal to 7 liter. Next one I will go for second one question. 4000 milliliter. Okay, now it is 4000 ml. Let us divide it to, let us convert it to liter. So 4000 ml divided by 1000. Okay, now divisor is what? 1000. Dividend is 4000. So 1000 for the 4000, how much of 4000? 1000 to the 2000, 1000 on the 1000, 1000 to the 3000, 1000 for the 4000, 1000 for the 4000. It is completely divided. So what is your answer? 4 liter. So we should write 4000 milliliter equal to, it is converted to 4 liter. So okay, I hope all of you understand. So now I will go for third one question. Okay, 6079 milliliter. 6079 milliliter. Here quotient is liter, remainder is milliliter. So we should convert. So let us divide by 6079 milliliter divided by 1000. Okay, 1000 is divisor. So 6079 is dividend. So now 1003 the 3000, 1000 for the 4000, 1005 the 5000, 1006 the 6000, 1007 the 7000 is more. So we cannot take the 7007 the 7000. We can take 1006 the 6000, 1006 the 6000. Let us subtract. 9 less 0, 9, 7 less 0, 7, 0 less 0, 0. So it is quotient is later. Quotient is later because 6 times of thousands are there. 6 times of 1000 is 6000. 6000 is called as 6 liter. So remaining it is milliliter. So we should write 6079 milliliter equal to 6 liter. 6 liter 79 milliliter. So now I will go for last question. I will go for last question. Next, fourth one, 8408 milliliter. Let us divide 8408 milliliter. So now I will go for 8048 divided by 1000. So divisor is 1000. Dividend is 8048 is dividend. So now 1005 the 5000, 1005 the 1006 the 6000, 1007 the 7000, 1008 the 8000, 1009, the 9000 is bigger because it is 8000 only. Okay, so we can take to 1008 the 8000. So now 8 less 0. Sorry. Wait. Okay. So now, okay, now 8 less 0, 8, 0 less 0, 0, 4 less 0, 4, 0 less 0, 8 less 0, 8. So how much is liter? So 8 liter. So it is quotient because it is times of 8 times of thousands are there. So in the 8408, that's why it is milliliter. So remaining is milliliter. So we should write 8408 milliliter equal to 8 liter 408 milliliter. So we can converting this like so this type. So we should, so this is the conversion of liters to milliliter and milliliters to liter. So this is the conversion. So today your homework is exercise 12a. Fill in the blanks, change to milliliters, change to liters, and change to liters and milliliters. Both I have given to the change into liters. ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆರಡು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, capacity, measures of capacity. I hope all of you understand today's class. So exercise 12a, that is your homework. Okay, students, bye bye. Take care.